Good morning children, how are you all? Stay home, stay safe. Today's class we will discuss about chapter 2 in biology. What is the name of the chapter? It is nutrition in animals. In chapter 1 we discussed about nutrition in plants. That is, green plants make their own food with the help of the green pigment present in the plants, that is chlorophyll. That process is called photosynthesis. So green plants make their own food. So they are called autotrophs. But most of the animals, they do not have chlorophyll. So they depend on other animals and plants. So in this lesson we will discuss about nutrition in animals. Okay. Nutrition in animals include nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and utilization in the body. Okay. And in this chapter we discussed about digestion in humans, digestion in grass eating animals like horse and cow, and digestion in amoeba. Actually amoeba is a single microorganism. We cannot see the amoeba with the help of our eye. We can see it with the help of microscope only. It lies in the pond water. Okay. And in this chapter we discuss about digestion in amoeba. We already know that according to the food habit of animals, the animals are categorized into three types. One is herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. What is called herbivore? The animals which eat only plants and plant products are called herbivores. The examples of herbivores are cow, horse, buffalo, etc. And the next one, carnivore. What is called carnivore? The animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. The examples of carnivores are lion, tiger, etc. And omnivores. What is called omnivores? The animals which eat both plants and animals are called carnivores. For example, dog and human beings. Okay, look at this. Different organisms have different eating habits. Like goat and rabbit feeds on grass, so they are called herbivores. Shark and tiger feed on other animals, so they are called carnivores and get their nutrition from that plants and animals. They get their food, so that is called nutrition. Okay, and the next one. Food. What is called food? It is a nutritious substance that contains many compounds required to nourish the body. What is called nutrients? The components of food present in the food items are called nutrients. So the food contains so many nutrients. What are the components of food? Carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fats, minerals and water are the essential components of food. Okay. So food is a nutrient substance that contains many compounds required to nourish the body. It helps us to, it gives us energy and it helps us to grow strong. So these are all the functions of food. And the next one. What is called carbohydrates? It is one of the main component of food. Carbohydrates are complex food components. They are broken down into simpler substances. Okay. So, a breaking down of complex components of food into simpler one is called digestion of food. So, what is called digestion of food? A breaking down of complex components like carbohydrates of food into simpler one is called digestion of food. Make a note. And the next one. Source of food for animals. Importance of food. We already know that the food contains so many nutrients, so many components, isn't it? What is the use of food? See, all organisms including humans require food for growth of their body and body parts. So food helps us to grow strong and repair of the body tissues. Mainly it gives energy and it is useful to maintenance of body temperature. And the last one, getting energy for functioning of the body and body parts. So these are all the importance of food or functions of food. Mainly the first one is it is helps us to grow strong. So it is helps us for growth and it repair the body tissues and maintenance of body temperature. And the last one, getting energy, that is the food gives us energy to do all various activities. So these are all the importance of food. And the next one, let us see one video about function of food.
Have you ever wondered why do we eat food? There are many answers to this. Food helps the body to satisfy the reflex called hunger. Excess fat in food is stored in the adipose tissue that can be utilized at some other point of time when food is not available. Food provides energy for basic muscular activities and also provides necessary warmth to the body for the maintenance of body temperature. So, by eating healthy and exercising, you can enjoy life.
So these are all the functions of food. Next one, we will discuss about feeding habits in different animals. See, the mode of taking food into the body varies from organism to organism. It is not similar to all the organisms. It varies from organisms to organisms. For example, bees and hummingbirds suck nectar from flowers. What is called a nectar? It is a sweet juice present inside the flowers are called nectar. So nectar is the food for bees and hummingbirds. Okay, the next one. Some aquatic animals obtain their food from the surrounding water. What is called aquatic animal? The animals that lie inside the water is called aquatic animals. So some aquatic animals obtain their food from the surrounding water. And the next one, snakes like python swallow the animals as their food. So the mode of taking food varies from organism to organism. It is not similar to all the organisms. Okay. The next one, look at the picture. See what is this? This is a starfish. Where it lies? It lies inside the water. See, starfish feeds on animals covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. See, this hard shells are covered, made by which chemical compound? It is made by calcium carbonate. Okay. After opening the shell, it pours out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animals inside the shell. Okay. And the stomach then goes back into the body and the food is slowly digested. So in this way, the starfish have their food. Okay, with the help of this shell. This shell is made by calcium carbonate. Okay, and the next one. See this question. Dance is the nucleus substance that is required for body growth. The answers are, the options are food, nectar and water. What is the answer? I'll give one clue. See, it is composed of different nutrients. What is the answer? Food, nectar or water? Definitely it is the food. So what is the answer? minerals. It is an important substance for body growth in living beings. So what is the answer? It is the food. Okay. It contains so many nutrients, so many components of food like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay. The next one. Digestion in human. What is called digestion? The breaking down of complex compound into simpler one is called digestion. How digestion occur in human beings? See. See, this is the digestive system. First of all, we have to know about what is called alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is the long tube that starts from mouth and ends at the anus. So, it starts from mouth and ends at the anus. So, that is called alimentary canal. The next one. The alimentary canals have the following parts. Buccal cavity. It is start with mouth. Okay. And the second one, food pipe or esophagus. Food pipe or esophagus. And the third one, stomach. Fourth one, small intestine. Fifth one, large intestine. Sixth one, rectum. And the last part is anus. So the alimentary canal have the following parts. It starts with mouth and ends with anus. What are the parts? Buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So these are the parts of alimentary canal. The next one. See, this is the human digestive system. What are the parts included in this human digestive system is? This is what? Mouth. This is mouth, or otherwise we can say that is buccal cavity. We already know that the alimentary canal starts with buccal cavity and ends with anus. Okay. And this is salivary gland. And this one pharynx. This is esophagus. Then this one liver. This is gallbladder. And this is stomach. This is pancreas. And this one large intestine, small intestine and anus. So these alimentary canals starts with mouth and end with anus. And these are all the parts of human digestive system. Okay. The next one. Let us see about functions of digestive system with the help of video.
As the food is kept in mouth, the salivary glands start secreting saliva, which contains the digestive enzyme amylase. In mouth, the starch is converted into maltose. Food is stored for 4 to 5 hours in the stomach, where it gets mixed with mucus, HCl, and enzymes for partial digestion. In duodenum, the food is mixed with pancreatic juice, bile juice, and the intestinal juice. Now, the actual process of digestion starts. Digestion is completed into the small intestine and absorption of simplified food starts over there. In the large intestine, effectively, no digestion takes place apart from absorption of water and minerals. The undigested portion of the food is now called fecus and it passes down to the rectum. From here, it is ejected to outside through the anus. The process of digestion is complete.
So this is about human digestive system. The food is taken with the help of mouth and it mixed with the saliva with the help of salivary glands and it goes to the stomach like a shape. And do you know one thing, children? Stomach produces hydrochloric acid. Make a note. As our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. What is the help of this hydrochloric acid? It can kill the germs that present in the food items. Okay, what is the help of this hydrochloric acid? It can kill germs that present in the food items. Then that food is go to the small intestine. What is the role of small intestine? It can absorb the nutrients from the food. So, what is the role of small intestine? It can absorb the nutrients from the digested food. Then, large intestine. What is the role of large intestine? It can absorb the water. Okay, it can absorb the water. And finally, the undigested food, that is called faeces. Okay, that is goes to the anus. Okay, so this is about the function of digestive system in human. It starts with mouth, that is buccal cavity, and ends with the anus. And these are all the parts. What? Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, and anus are the parts of the digestive system. In mouth, we have teeth, no? We have how many types of teeth? We have 4 types of teeth. Okay, and the children below 6 years, they have milk teeth. Okay, and it falls between the age 6 to 8, and the permanent teeth will comes outside. Okay, so there are 2 types of teeth. One is temporary teeth or milk teeth or permanent teeth. That milk teeth falls before 6 to 8 years. Okay, and so these are all the digestive system of humans. And the next one.
Now let us discuss about
What is called diarrhea? See, condition of causing watery soup is called diarrhea. It is caused by an infection, food poisoning, or indigestion. And it occurs commonly in children. Is fatal as it results in excessive loss of water and salts from the body. So this is about diarrhea. The next one. Patients should be given plenty of boiled and cooled water with a pinch of salt and sugar dissolved in it. It is called as oral rehydration solution. It can cure or it can give energy to the children affected by diarrhea. So, what is the solution? What is the name of the solution? It is oral rehydration solution. It is a mixture of salt and sugar dissolved in it, and it contains a plenty of boiled and cooled water. So that is called ORS solution. We can use this ORS solution by the person he affected by diarrhea means we can give this ORS solution. Then it can use energy for the affected person. That is what is the full form? Oral rehydration solution. Okay. The next one. Name the largest internal organ present in the body. Liver, pancreas, and stomach. Which is the largest internal organ present in the body? The hint is C. Bile juice. What is the answer? It is liver. So what is the largest internal organ present in our body? It is liver. See, liver is the largest internal organ in the body. It is situated in the upper part of the abdominal cavity below the diaphragm. It segregates bile juice. What is the use of bile juice? Which helps in the emulsification of fats present in the food. It can easily digest the fats that present in the food items. That is called bile juice. So what is the largest internal organ present in our body? It is the liver. What is the answer? It is liver. The next one. Grass eating animals. We already know that what are all the grass-eating animals? They are also called herbivores. Why? Because they can eat only plant and plant products. The examples are cow, buffalo, horse. Okay. Now we will discuss about how the foods are digested in the grass-eating animals. Okay. See, digestive system in grass-eating animals. Plant eaters like domestic cattle have a specialized stomach made up of different chambers, one of which includes rumen. Okay, so they have different chambers to digest the food items. One of the chamber is called what? Rumen. Make a note, it is called rumen. The next one. A longer digestive system as compared to carnivores allow these herbivores to feed on vegetation which is high in cellulose contents. We already know that the herbivores eat only plant products. Okay, but it contains one substance. What is the called? It is cellulose. So, a longer digestive system as compared to carnivores allow these herbivores to feed on vegetation which is high in cellulose. So, the plant products are rich in cellulose. This cellulose gives energy to the grass-eating animals. The next one. See, this is the long digestive system of ruminant. What is called ruminant? The plant-eating animals are called ruminant. Okay, they have large digestive system. We already know that they have some chambers. That is called rumen. And it also contains a reticulum. So this is the digestive system of a grass-eating animal. Okay, the next one. See, the grass-eating animals like cattle are called ruminants because they perform rumination. Okay, make a note. The grass-eating animals like cattle, cow, horse, they are called ruminants because they perform rumination. What is called rumination? See, during rumination, the food is first chewed in mouth and swallowed. Did you see the cow? How they eat? First, they can eat the grass or plant products, and they swallow with the help of its mouth. Okay. The next one. In rumen, the food is partially digested in the form of cud. So, what is called cud? The partially digested food are called cud. Make a note. A partially digested food of grass-eating animals are called cud. Later on, the cud is brought up into the animal's mouth for chewing. So, this is called rumination or cud chewing. Okay. So, the food is partially digested into the cud. First, the grass-eating animals have the plant products, and it is partially digested. What is called the partially digested food is called cud. Then later on, the cud is brought up into the animal's mouth for chewing. So this is called rumination or cud chewing. Okay, the next one. Let us see one video about chewing of cud.
In cattle called ruminant, the digestion of food takes place in different ways. In ruminants, like cow, the stomach consists of 4 compartments: rumen, reticulum, omasum, and mucosum. When cow eats food, it first chews the food in order to oxygenate. Once swallowed, food first goes into the rumen, where it mixes the digestive juices and gets softened. This softened food is called cud. Now the rumen muscles contract and send the cud back up to the cow's mouth through reticulum, where it is re-chewed and swallowed again. Then Chewing of gum is necessary because the foods that ruminant animals eat are difficult to digest and it takes extra effort to get all of the nutrients from the food.
So this is the digestion in grass eating animals. Okay, and the next one. Nutrition in amoeba. What is called amoeba? We already know that amoeba is a microorganism. We cannot see the amoeba with the help of our eyes. We can see with the help of microscope only. Why? Because they are unicellular microorganisms. Where we can found the amoeba means it lies in the pond water. We can found the amoeba in pond water. Okay, let us see one video about the digestion in amoeba. So that is the nutrition of amoeba. See, this is the picture of amoeba. They have a false feet or pseudopodium. This helps the amoeba to move or to catch the food. Okay. Let us see one video about amoeba.
Proteins is a free-living protozoa that occurs singly in the bottom mud or on the other side of aquatic vegetation in ponds, lakes, springs, and slow-running streams. Amoeba is a microscopic single-cell organism. To the naked eye, largest amoeba is just visible as whitish spot. Under the microscope, it appears as an irregular, colorless, and translucent mass of protoplasm. Cytoplasm of amoeba is differentiated into outer ectoplasm and inner granular endoplasm. The inner endoplasm is further divided into outer jelly-like plasma gel and inner fluid-like plasmaspore. Amoeba changes its shape and position by formation of finger-like processes known as pseudopodia or false feet are formed, which are the blunt extension of amoeba's body. Many pseudopodia are formed simultaneously in amoeba protists, and hence it is also called polypodial species. Pseudopodia are used in locomotion and food ingestion. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms like diatoms present in the water. The ingestion takes place by phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is a process in which solid food sources are enveloped by the cell membrane. Though amoeba lacks sense organs, but it displays its sense of food by approaching some food substances while avoiding others. Amoeba captures and engulfs its food by means of pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are formed at the point of contact between the surface of amoeba's body and food particle. On coming in contact with an immotile organism for food, an amoeba extends its pseudopodia around the organism, envelopes and engulfs it. On encountering a motile organism for food, it slowly engulfs the organism by extending the pseudopodia in the direction of prey. The pseudopodia forms a cup-like structure called food cup, which constitutes to form a phagocytotic food vacuole or phagosome. Phagosome encloses the captured prey in a considerable amount of water. It moves slowly inside the endoplasm due to cytosis. In an actively feeding amoeba, several phagosomes can be found. Lysosomes containing digestive juices fuse with the food vacuole. The digestive juices in acidic medium kill the trapped organism and then digestion of complex molecules takes place. Gradually, the food vacuole shrinks and the product of digestion are diffused into the cytoplasm. The food vacuole of amoeba is analogous to alimentary canal of other higher animals. As the amoeba moves forward, the undigested matter is shifted to the back and removed as food pellet formed at the nearby point on the cell membrane.
we discussed about the nutrition in animals and digestion in human body, that is human digestion system, and digestion in grass-eating animals like cow and buffalo. And the last we discussed about nutrition in amoeba. It is a microorganism. Okay, and now it is a time for your